How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily buy Bitcoins on Cash App. First thing you have to do is make sure that you are logged in inside your Cash App application. And if you have certain balance on your Cash App, it will show the balance on the bottom left corner. Or if you don't have any balance, it will show you guys the bank icon. So simply head over to this tab right here, and once you click on it, you will see your balance, and right below that you have different tabs. There you will see an option to buy Bitcoin, so just tap on it. And then from here, you have an option to buy Bitcoin. Just tap on buy option. Now you can enter a predefined amount or you could enter a custom amount. To enter custom amount, tap on the three lines. And then from here, let's say if I want to purchase Bitcoin worth of $5, just enter that and then tap on next. It will show you to confirm your transactions, and it will show you the amount of Bitcoin that you're going to get for $5, and then simply click on confirm. Once you do that, you have now successfully purchased that Bitcoin worth $5. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.